Welcome, this is a tour of the Multimedia Garage. This is where all the magic happens. This is our shop truck. It's a fun shop truck. Yep. It's got tubs. It's got big tires. It's got the ubiquitous advertisement. It's got a 427 Dart small block. It's kind of hard on tires, even harder on gas mileage. My wife's cute little car that she likes to leave down here to get attention. This is our build. Our clever little wheel tubs that we built out of the rear wheel tubs. Aren't we clever? Should have all the sheet metal done on this in a few days. We're selling this drive. Anybody is in need of a big block Chevy drive, the entire front of this motor is for sale from the timing cover out. It's brand spanking new. It's all billet. It's never been run. It's never so much as had a belt on it. If you have any interest at all, just contact me at the end of this thread, or this video, excuse me. Okay. This is our tin bending department. We got our slip roller, press brake, and shear there. Our English wheel, our Bally bead roller. Of course, we got our go jacks to move our vehicles around because it doesn't run yet, but it will. Okay, we'll go over into the fab department. It's just as messy as the big shop. This is our fabrication area. Yep, that's a 100-year-old South Bend lathe. Still runs quite beautifully. In fact, it runs better than most brand new stuff. Gets quite a bit of use. The big mill. It's getting more work than it needs to, but I sure love running it. This is our metal area. Kind of a mess. I apologize for that. Yeah, we even have a bead cabinet and a tire machine. What the heck? What can't we do? Apparently we can't clean a shop. The yard, as yards are prone to be, full of crap. That is our frame fixture that we took such care of, painted it and everything, and then it lives outside. Isn't that sad? We need to get another truck on it. That's our rotisserie. Those are the carts we use to roll cabs and beds and chassis around on. That's our shop. That's the Multimedia Garage. She ain't much, but I'm real proud of her. I'm happy to show it to you. Thank you very much. Leave me a comment.